Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study geometry. Start by building a strong foundation in geometry. This means truly understanding the core definitions, axioms, and theorems. Don't just memorize, grasp the underlying logic. For instance, clearly differentiate between a line segment and a ray. Practice drawing precise diagrams for every problem, as visual representation is key. Mastering fundamental postulates, such as Euclid's 5, will set you up for success. Once you have the basics down, focus on effective problem-solving strategies. Geometry problems often look daunting, but breaking them into smaller, manageable steps makes them approachable. Always identify the given information and clearly state what you need to prove or find. Then, systematically apply the relevant theorems and formulas you've learned. This structured approach will guide you to the correct solution every time. Consistent practice is absolutely crucial for mastering geometry. Dedicate time daily to solve a variety of problems, from simple to complex, to reinforce your understanding. Regularly review all theorems, postulates, and formulas to keep them fresh in your mind. This active recall helps solidify your knowledge. Also, pay close attention to your mistakes. Understanding why you made them is a powerful learning tool. To further enhance your geometry skills, consider some advanced techniques. Utilize online resources, such as interactive geometry software, to visualize complex shapes and transformations. Collaborating with peers can offer new perspectives on challenging problems and deepen your understanding. Don't hesitate to seek clarification from your teachers on any difficult topics. Their insights are invaluable. Remember, consistent effort yields significant progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.